In this lesson, students learn how to identify the number of sides, angles, and right angles as attributes of two-dimensional shapes. The vocabulary used in this lesson is as follows. An attribute is a characteristic that helps define a shape. A side is a line segment or a straight line that defines the outside of the shape. An angle is found where two sides of a shape meet. In third grade, students will learn that a right angle is found in the corners of a square or rectangle. A right angle will not be formally defined as a 90-degree angle until fourth grade. Let's start by identifying the names of 5 shapes. Here is an orange square, a yellow hexagon, a green triangle, a red trapezoid, and a blue rhombus. We will identify the number of sides for each of these shapes in the table. The orange square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. The yellow hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. The green triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. The red trapezoid has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And the blue rhombus has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Now we will identify the number of angles for each shape. The orange square has 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. The yellow hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. The green triangle has 1, 2, 3 angles. The red trapezoid has 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. And the blue rhombus has 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Now we will identify how many right angles each shape has. The correct notation to identify when an angle is a right angle is to complete a small square in each right angle like this. The orange square has 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles. On this hexagon, all of the angles are the same. Since one angle is not a right angle, none of the angles are right angles. The yellow hexagon has 0 right angles. The green triangle has 0 right angles. The red trapezoid has 0 right angles. The blue rhombus has 0 right angles. Let's look at a different type of rhombus. A square is another type of rhombus. A rhombus can either have 0 right angles, like the blue rhombus, or 4 right angles, like the square. Now let's look at a different triangle. This purple triangle has 1 right angle. So, a triangle can have 0 right angles or 1 right angle. Let's look at one more shape. This is a different kind of trapezoid. This brown trapezoid has 1, 2 right angles. Therefore, a trapezoid can have either 0 or 2 right angles. An activity you can do at home is to look for objects like the index card that can be used to identify right angles. Today we identified sides, angles, and right angles as attributes of various shapes.